Crazy Pineapple here. Today I'm gonna do a clear glue fluffy slime. All we need is clear glue, shaving cream, detergent or any activator you would like to use, a thing to mix with and a thing to mix in. First, I'm going to pour a bit of glue and I'm using Chunbei clear glue. To be adding this much because today I'm testing if it's gonna work. I watched this video and the YouTuber said that you should put shaving cream before your activator. So now I'm gonna put in my shaving cream. You would want to put a lot more shaving cream compared to your glue. Once you're done, you would want to mix everything together. It will look something like this after you mix it for a while. Next, you will want to add your detergent or any activator. You could use saline solution and borax with a bit of warm water, but in this case I'm using Dynamo detergent. You want to pour a bit at a time and not too much. You can see it's coming up nicely like this. You want to keep mixing. But if you think it's too clumpy, you could add a bit more glue. Okay. Like this. Oops. Like this. Yes, it's becoming fluffy slime. But you would want to add more as it's still sticking to my hands. Okay. Oops, I think I added a bit too much. Let's see, maybe it'll be just nice. I guess it's coming up nicely and it's very creamy. But the only thing is that it sticks a lot like that. It's not coming off my hand. Let's check out. I guess I can do it with my hands now. Let me get all the slime out and let's see how it comes out. Okay, I think it's very creamy, but I expected it to be a bit lumpy because detergent makes it a bit lumpy, but it is creamy though. Above the video. Now I'm gonna add some food coloring. Pause the video.
Pause already.
Add my slime here. yeah? Don't do it. Show me. Show me. You didn't get.
Where's pause?
Pause it. Okay, now press the two lines again.
Okay, carry on.
Okay, so I'm back with my food coloring. I'm gonna use yellow food coloring for today's line. You would not want to add a lot as it will become very watery. Like this. I've added this much to my slime. I guess this is too much because I guess you see that my container is covered with orange or yellow, your preferred color. Oh, it looks like a lump of hot Cheetos. Maybe I could name it Hot Cheeto Fluffy Slime. Anyways, it looks nice and like a slime texture. You could see on my spoon. It has a very nice slime texture and a very nice golden orange color. So I'm gonna carry on mixing until I can get as much color I can get on this. Pause it. Pause it.
Stop, I stop again.
Yeah.